new toy. Hey, what's going on guys, and welcome to the video. Hope you're having a great day. Now the ATV that I've got sitting here today is a 2022 Honda Rubicon. I just picked it up a couple of weeks ago, and I've actually had it out for a couple of short rides. It is a little bit dirty and dusty, but before it gets any dirtier, I want to get it washed up, and then I actually want to get everything on here ceramic coated. Now you might think ceramic coating your quad, that's totally overkill. You'd probably be right, but you know what? Why not, right? So as always, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Alright guys, well just before I get to work on the quad, I'll give you a quick look around, and like I just mentioned, it is pretty much brand new, but the couple of trail rides have gotten it a little dusty, so I'll get it washed up quick so it's ready for the ceramic coating. But just before we jump into it, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on future videos like this. I've got some pretty cool ones coming your way soon. Okay, well obviously just like any other detail, the first step here is to pressure wash the quad, and with it only being a little bit dusty, it won't take me too long today, although since I do plan on coating every surface on here, I'll make sure to be extra thorough. Alright, with the quad sprayed off, I'll get to work washing it, and if you're curious, I'm using some Detail Geek car shampoo in my wash bucket, and we'll attack this like any other vehicle using the 2-bucket method and a nice soft microfiber chenille wash mitt, although as you can probably tell, there's a few spots where it's tricky to get the wash mitt on, but it's imperative that every surface is perfectly clean, so I'll take my time and do it right. Okay, after a quick rinse, it's time to dry it off, and for that I'm using my Detail Geek Ultra Plush Drying Towel, which you can pick up on sale right now at detailgeekautocare.com for the huge Black Friday sale. And to give you a bit more background on the quad, I've actually wanted to buy one for quite a while now, but I never had anywhere to store it, so it just wasn't really possible. But now with the construction started on the studio and the shop, I'll actually have somewhere it can live, so I figured it was a good time to pull the trigger on it, and I honestly can't wait to take it out and really have some fun with it. Alright, well it's time now to get started with the ceramic coating, and for that I'm going to be using CarPro Deluxe today, which is something you've seen me use before on wheels, and I also coated all the plastic trim on my truck with it. It's a product that can be used on many different types of materials, so it's the perfect choice to get the whole quad protected. Although, like I said in the opening, this is completely unnecessary and absolute overkill considering I fully intend to take the quad out and get it dirty. I also know it's going to eventually get scratched, and to be honest, keeping it looking brand new like I do with my truck just isn't reasonable with an ATV. However, having it ceramic coated like this will actually make it easier to clean since the dirt and mud won't be able to stick to it as well. So that sort of helped me justify doing it, but truly, I just wanted to see how good I could get the thing looking. Now for some of the hard to reach areas, I'm just using the applicator cloth so I can reach underneath the metal rack. And for those of you who might want a little more info on the quad, like I said, it's a 2022 Honda Rubicon in Patriot Red that packs a 518cc liquid cooled engine with a fully automatic 5-speed dual clutch transmission, and also has independent front and rear suspension, which makes the ride really smooth. Now in terms of add-ons or mods, I do plan on picking up a rear trunk for it, and will likely throw a winch on it as well, but probably won't do too much else to it in the short term. And you might have already guessed, but this video was recorded a few months ago, back when the weather was nice and there wasn't any snow all over the ground. Last up is one more completely unnecessary step, and that's to dress the tires with some CarPro Pearl diluted roughly 1:1. All right guys, well, a very quick 90 minutes later and the quad is washed, it's ceramic coated, and really it's looking better than brand new now. So if you guys enjoyed this one, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on any other videos like this. If you enjoyed this one, please let me know down in the comments. And if you do want to ever see it, get me take it out and get it, you know, dirty and muddy, I'm probably happy to do that for you. So again, let me know down in the comments if you want to see that kind of thing. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. See you guys in the next one.